What's going on, guys? Today we're going to be doing TikTok reactions to Amazon sellers.
Anywhere from about $2,000 all the way up to over $10,000. You can see they're doing that every couple days as well. But you can do it too, because I just sell these name brand products just like this one. You can see this bottle right here selling close to 1,000 times a month. And then to source that product, you can go to an everyday site like Bed Bath & Beyond, and we can buy it for $8.39. Throw in a little extra there for taxes and fees, anything like that, and you're still gonna be making over $4 a unit. So if you wanna get started doing this business for yourself, here's a quick step-by-step. Number one's the easy one, go get an Amazon seller account. Number two, you're gonna need two simple softwares. Number one is Keepa, that's about $19 a month. The other one is called Sellerant, that one's $17 a month. Once you do that, go ahead and check out my YouTube channel for an in-depth guide doing reverse sourcing. Trust me,
does he have a course?
Later.
Like we've had some interactions on Instagram and stuff, but I've seen some of his posts, they make sense. He's right. I mean,
he's right.
You can provide more information, but it's a TikTok and you're trying to
go.
So like, I have a problem, not that some people don't provide enough information, but they provide some I don't want to say false information, or like maybe a little misleading, like how to do things just to oversimplify. Yeah. But what separates the ones I don't like from the ones I do like is the reason for oversimplifying it, right? So in this case, it sounds like he's just oversimplifying it to get his point across, but then he added something like, oh, taxes and additional fees. So he's adding those additional things in there, right? So he's making you aware of that. So I like this guy. Plus, I've seen this guy like elsewhere, and cool guy.
He gets a thumbs up.
You can make $10,000 a month from home selling products from China on Amazon. So first things first, you want to go to a website called sell.amazon.com and create your Amazon seller account. The next thing you want to do is go and download a software called Helium 10. Helium 10 is going to help you be able to identify good products to sell that are actually going to make you money on Amazon. Next, you want to go to Alibaba.com, and that website will help you find a supplier from China who can make your product for a very good price. Then that supplier is going to send the product directly to Amazon, so you never have to touch the product, you never have to have your hands on them, and Amazon will send it out to the customers for you. This means that you are completely hands-off and you get to run your business completely remote from wherever you are. That's how you make money with Amazon. Follow for more tips.
Make it sound so easy.
She's not wrong, but she's oversimplifying it, and she made sure to put her link to her affiliate link for Helium 10. So people buy Helium 10. So like
Helium 10, it's getting it, all the sponsorships.
I know people are learning and they're trying to understand what this whole thing is, right? But it's too simple. People really need it to simple, right? You're oversimplifying it. So then I think, why are you oversimplifying it?
Yeah.
For views?
I think it's for views. I think so it encompasses everybody. Everybody gets it.
And that's a problem, right? So you get enough of that, and then like I sound negative when I say it's hard. This is the first step to sell an Amazon FBA. All right, tell me.
Ready? It's only the first step, and apparently we never got a part two.
We only got one.
Only one step.
Where is part two?
Step to getting started selling books on Amazon FBA. The first thing that you're going to want to do is go over to Amazon Seller Central and sign up for a free account. Now they do have a pro account, which is $39.99 a month. You could sign up for the free account because honestly, until you sell over 40 books a month, you're just going to be throwing money away. Now they kind of hide it from you, and it is a process to get signed up because now Amazon wants you to essentially receive a postcard.
So you said first scan the books, then set up an account. Is that what you said? How do you scan the books?
Information, put in your credit card information, your tax information, your name, your address, get the postcard, and
letting
get your
us know
account
that
verified.
unless we're
There's really
selling
no
40,
point of going on to step 2 or 3.
we're not making any money.
Going to find books and scan books and ship books until you get your account set up.
That's
so go to
the
Amazon
one
Seller
good.
Central,
Yeah,
sign up for your
that
account,
is fair.
If you're not making 40 transactions a month, then it's not worth paying $39.
Come back to my channel, and I'll go to part 2 in terms of the second thing to do.
Really have nothing to say. How to make $1,000 per month. This is the perfect product. That sounds fun.
I'm going to show you how to make $1,000 a month on Amazon.
Oh, bro, show me.
Go to Walmart.
Look at that hair. Go to Walmart.
Step 2, find the clearance section. Step 3, download the Amazon Seller app and start scanning products that you want to sell.
Download it in the back of Walmart where there's obviously no reception.
It's lightweight and easy to ship.
Do they kill the reception in the seller
This
app?
is the perfect product. This product sells for $4.50 on clearance at Walmart.
There you go.
It's listed on Amazon for $18.49.
Okay.
That means when all is said and done, it's $12.23.
There's only one person selling it. Send them all in.
What?
Buy
No, there
them
wasn't.
and sell them on Amazon. Here's a
Was
product
there?
brief.
There's one person selling FBA, the rest were all selling.
I wonder who that was.
Probably the actual person. Did he do, I wanted to see what the BSR was.
One FBA offer, 9 offers from $9.97. So that's probably FBM.
It's listed
That's too dang quick.
at Walmart.
I'll never know.
What?
I didn't mean to heart it.
And you liked
I
it.
hearted
And you liked it. What the fuck, Miranda?
I just wanted to know
What was
the
the title of
BSR was.
his thing? How to make passive income on Amazon with little effort.
Little
Okay.
effort. Okay.
Whatever.
I mean, he's not wrong with the process of it, but you gotta check a few other things and just.
It's not wrong. It's just yeah.
This mistake is why a lot of Amazon FBA sellers fail. They do not look at the exact profit that they would get from selling that product before they launch
Okay,
it.
bro.
Let's pretend
I
that
like
I
you
wanted
now.
to sell this
I like
product. It's an automatic tennis ball thrower for your dogs. I found the exact same product on Alibaba for $6.29.
Yeah.
You want to go to AmazonFBACalculator.com, copy the product ASIN, paste that into the calculator and hit search. We are fulfilling through Amazon, so you want to fill out this right column here. Item price is $113, and I pulled that in from Amazon. This product weighs about 4 pounds, which would cost around $7 to ship to Amazon. So I'm putting 7 right here.
Okay.
$6.29 is again our cost of product, so that goes right here. After you have those values put in, you then hit calculate, and your profit will pop up for each unit sold. The profit for this product on every unit sold would be around $70. Finding products like this are an absolute goldmine. This seller is selling 518 of these units every single month, and that means that their profit is around $36,000 every single month.
Yeah, but don't you have to now cut that in half because now you're gonna be the second person on it? And also, isn't he gonna like? What about?
No. He's saying to private label that in this instance. Right now, I like that he's saying, hey, you know, the biggest mistake people make is not calculate everything into it, right? Ironically,
Okay.
he didn't calculate some stuff into it. So, I mean, is shipping $7 a unit? Maybe, right? You see what their procured cost is? Yes. I mean, I think it was for a reasonable amount of units. It wasn't for like one, right?
Okay.
So you have to factor that into it too. But he didn't calculate, he's just saying, oh, you're gonna make $70 each. He didn't calculate PPC into that, he didn't calculate any of that. So the biggest expense in selling something like that is gonna be advertising. So you need to calculate that into it as well. If you're gonna basically title the video, the biggest mistake people make is not calculate all the fees and costs into it, right? Then put all the fees and costs into it. So besides that, I think it's pretty clean,
All right.
you know?
Winning.
I've seen a lot of people say you can make thousands of dollars passively every month by promoting affiliate links to Amazon products, so let's give it a try. First, I had to sign up for the Amazon Associates program. This lets me create my own custom links that allow Amazon to track my sales and pay me a commission. Next, I want to make sure I gave this side hustle the best chance possible of succeeding, so I decided to use some large social media audiences that I own to promote my links to. These audiences are dominated by a middle-aged female demographic that's mostly from the US, so they should work well. I then found a bunch of products that I thought had potential to go viral with this audience, like this flamingo bottle holder, and then created custom affiliate links for each of them and organized them in this spreadsheet. Now, I could have just posted pictures of the products with the links in the captions, but I wanted to ensure that the post got the most eyeballs on them possible. And to make that happen, I turned each of these simple product images into a meme style post. These should get more engagement and shares because they blend in better in a social media feed and don't look as much like a spammy ad. I was about an hour and a half in at this point, and the last thing I had to do was schedule all the posts and spread them out across 7 days. Stick around if you want to see how much we make. Peace.
Affiliates.
Okay.
I suck at affiliates.
If like, as he says, he had a large social media following or whatever,
Yes.
right? If you have a large social media following, anybody can make money with anything, promoting anything. So
True that.
Amazon affiliates is hard. Like, for the little amount that we make every month on Amazon affiliates, it's actually embarrassing. Like, with the actual affiliate stuff, it's embarrassing. So yeah, if you have a huge following and you're able to drive that traffic to it, yeah, you'll make money. But if you don't have a huge following, which I'm assuming you don't, if you're watching this video, maybe you do, but maybe you don't, which most people don't. 99% of people don't have a huge following.
I don't. I know I tried Amazon affiliates a couple different times. I've actually had to sign up multiple times because they kill your account if you don't sell anything. So yeah, I've done it like I think 3 times where I was finally like, I'm done.
Yeah, so
it doesn't work.
It's like oversimplifying it once again, right? But like obviously if you have a huge social media following, you don't actually, if you have a huge social media following, you don't have to figure out how to make money with that following.
Yeah, I would have a following first. So step 1, get a following.
Here's how to sell on Amazon in 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
Go
30.
to Amazon.com. You find a product with high demand. and low competition. For example, this barber bag that is making $22,000 per month. 2, we need to source the product, so we're going to go to Alibaba.com. We're going to search for the product, and right here we found one that you can get for $5 to $10 for 200 pieces. On Amazon, they're selling for $55, so you have really high profit margins. Next thing is you're going to contact supplier, and you're going to ship this product directly from your supplier to Amazon, where they do the fulfillment. Lastly, you're going to repeat the process just like I did, and have grown my business to over 7 figures in the last year. If you guys want to learn how, hit that follow button.
I'm not hating because he actually showed the reviews. Like, so he said, okay, high competition with low reviews, fine. Like, you're at least showing that. Like, a lot of times you see people say, look how much money this product's making, and then it's got like a gajillion reviews. Yeah, gajillion's a number. It's got that many reviews, so that's pointless shit you're giving me. Right? I can find that, like, look up Bluetooth headphones right now on Amazon. Oh my God, look how many sales everybody's making, but they all have 60,000 reviews. You know what I mean? So, but this guy doesn't do that, so I'm fine. I have no beef with that one.
You got a thumbs up.
Yet, bro. Yet.
How I make 20K a week selling products on Amazon.
This guy looks like he's
Order inventory from large distributor.
I love this sheet he's got there.
I bet one of those pallets is his, if any. Not all of them.
Preparing products to make me money dollar.
Making dollars. He couldn't even do his own voiceover?
Can receive it.
Do you think he actually, do you think he works here? He's just standing there like, in the video.
Please don't play with mine. My body different. I know they love that line, but I just wanna slide. Parties in the sky like it's 20.
Shipping the products to Amazon's warehouse.
Just vibing to the music.
It's a fucking flex.
Oh, they killed the music!
It's a flex. That's all this is. It's like a flex. Like, you're not explaining shit.
Like passive
cool,
income
bro.
with me.
Cool flex. Like,
How do you get the labels?
you're not explaining anything.
Doesn't look passive.
Does that look passive to you? Right? Does that $2,500 heat shrink tunnel look passive to you? You know what I mean? Like, please, bro. Like,
here's exactly how you can make your first $5,000 selling on Amazon in 2022. You've probably seen the videos. You go to a store, you take your phone out, you scan the barcode. Well, hold on, one more thing. We need to make sure we're approved to sell these products before we're buying them from the shelf. If you need approval in beauty or grocery products, use Frontier Co-op. For toys and games, make an account with EE Distribution. Those are both licensed distributors, which will give you the proper invoicing to get these approvals. They won't be profitable, but they will open up the ability to go find items and make profit on those.
Okay, this guy,
more than
like
likely
I said, he's giving you
these
stuff.
3
I like
documents.
him. This is the second video by him.
Not a lot of people are
You
gonna
can
like
save a lot of time knowing what to buy and what to look for in these stores ahead of time by using this next cool website. This website is called BrickSeek. BrickSeek is about $30 a month, but every day you receive a daily email for your local markdowns. So you know ahead of time what to go buy and flip on Amazon.
Now you just gotta get to the store first.
I mean, he's probably talking about online arbitrage. Now, I'm good until I don't know who BrickSeek is. I don't know if he's affiliated to them or whatever it is. But at least he gave you some free like info. You know what I mean? Some like, you know, not just free, but actionable, because everybody gives you free bullshit. Actionable. He's saying, hey, go to this website and you can get, you know, Engage for toys or whatever. The last part, I don't know. I don't know what that is.
All right, one more.
This site actually works, $6 per hour. Let's go shopping.
Arbitrage. We're arbitraging. $4. She must be ungated in Lego. I would like to remind everybody that you have to spend at least an hour in line at Marshall's. So
go to the last frame where you see the boxes. Okay? Anyone who shipped Amazon FBA, you let me know what's wrong with these boxes down in the comments.
They do look a little funky.